Good morning, students of class 9. Today, I am your Sir Loyamba coming with the topic gravitation. Let us learn the topic gravity. Ask anybody around you this simple question: what is gravity? And what you would probably hear is it is something that pulls object towards the center of the earth, or it's a force exerted by the earth to pull object towards it. Now, before we get to the basic of gravitation, there is one thing I want you to understand well. Rather, there is one thing I want you to forget. Forget the fact that gravity has got to do only with the earth and the object close to it. That is not gravity. We would see examples where objects are falling to the ground and we assume that it's only the concept we need to know about gravity. Yes, of course, it's gravity that pulls the object towards the earth. But that's not only the thing you need to understand about gravity. So, what is gravity? Consider your screen to be the universe, and there are any two objects in the universe that could be planet or human or animals or anything else. But both of them must have non-zero mass. In this case, both objects are pulling the other object towards each other. One object is pulling the other towards itself, and the other is pulling the one towards itself. This attractive force between any two masses in the universe is called the gravitational force. So the gravitational force is the attractive force between any two objects with non-zero mass separated by a distance. It is not only the force that Earth uses to pull objects towards it, but yes, all of us have Earth as our habitat. Most examples we see for gravitation will relate to the Earth pulling object towards it. But we should know that it is not the only force that explains gravitation. In the case of Earth and human being, the Earth is one object and the human being is another. Both are pulling one another. But why does this happen? If you do a lot of study into it, what gravity really means, you may find out that gravity is not actually a force and it is just an illusion. So for now, it is enough to know that gravitational force is just the attractive force between any two objects with non-zero mass separated by a distance. After knowing the basics, we will probably have many questions in our mind. Does the apple fall towards the earth, or does the earth moves towards the apple? If two objects always attract each other, why don't two humans get pulled towards each other? Why don't two stars collide with each other? After this video, you will be able to answer all the questions and understand various concepts related to them.